Nakabenta ki khobor ke baman kasngi subscribe yo Antor News.
Good morning. Can you tell us a little bit your experience here in Shillong?
Yeah, sure. My name is Dr. Reza Borhani, and I feel very privileged to be here today, actually. As you can see, the view here, it's a multi-million-dollar view, very rare to find outside. And I think the people that actually live here are too desensitized to the beauty, the natural beauty that exists in Cherrapunji Sora area. The Dinsang is my first time that I've been here. It's absolutely gorgeous, and I want to thank the Shangkai group that have put together this trekking. I personally, I'm going to come back for this. I've sent my son with this for the first time. And I must say congratulations to the group for doing such a wonderful job, because especially in today's society, we need more people involved in things that are related to nature, right? Because everybody's so tied up in cement houses and in cities and in technology. I think that's just kind of, we are getting away from what we were born to be with nature, and this is a fantastic way to do it. And from what I've seen so far, the way the organizers are doing this, I think they're on the right path, and this has potential not just for local tourism or even India. It has an international potential to bring in a lot of people, and I would love to see some health resorts set up here in this beautiful region and introduce people to the beauty of Sora. It's just amazing, and I want to thank you, all the organizers, and I want to thank the tribal people here. I'd like to thank the kingdom, the government, for putting such an initiative together. I really hope that we see more of this, and I think it's also a great opportunity to teach the tourists that come to see how, by example, how we can keep this place free from rubbish and from all those things that pollute and turn people away. So I wish them all the luck, and I think that they're absolutely on the right track, and I'll be happy to help in any way that I can in my capacity as a doctor who sets up health resorts around the world. Thank you so much. Essentially, this kind of tourism, the ecotourism, or what you are setting up here, has the potential to create an immense number of jobs. But I don't think that should be the only driving factor for doing what they have started. I think if they are true, they're authentic in their thoughts and in their feelings, and they're true to what they're saying, you don't have to worry about marketing, on any platform. I think word of mouth, just a few people that come in, it's just going to spread like wildfire, and you're going to attract quality tourists that come here and can appreciate nature and can work with nature together rather than pollute it and destroy it. And I think the potential for the locals to go international is huge. I just hope that this tourism that they attract does not become destructive to the lifestyle of the people that are living here, and also destructive to the nature that surrounds them. So it's a very delicate balance to bring tourism, bring jobs, bring money into the communities, but at the same time being authentic and keeping that tourism, that beauty and that natural way of life that has been in existence here for many thousands of years, to maintain that and keep it. So I hope that balance can be sorted out, and I particularly, this falls the responsibility, a lot of it, on the governments, that they're to train and educate people how to handle these things, how to talk to visitors, how to make them understand the importance of nature and the collaboration between humans and nature, how beautifully they can work together to bring about a beautiful sample for everybody to enjoy. So I encourage the government bodies to pay more attention to this. I encourage the youth to have more initiative in taking roles as leaders to spread this message of beauty and love throughout, because when you look at nature, you're essentially looking at love, because nature was made through love by the universe. And I think it's our responsibility, it's every youth's responsibility to keep it that way and make sure it is there for the future generations and for the whole of humanity. Because now we are growing as a society. It's no longer about Sohra or Meghalaya or India, it's about the world.